So in this video, we're on a clear downtrend, and I think this is going to break the floor. So I'm going to go short here with a small amount. And fingers crossed, we're going to break the floor. The reason is we've had many sort of hits on the floor, and I don't think it's going to pump up. I don't think there's enough in the market. And when it does pump, it shorts down. Now, that's usually a good indication. You should be shorting in a short downtrend. So we're going to see how this one plays out. I make thousands most days trading like this. Most people you're trading against think that's a dip. I'm going to buy it. And then they sort of buy in, and definitely this won't pump anymore. It should just wick down and dump off. So most people that trade try and rely on patterns. I rely on what everyone else is doing because you're trading against everyone else. And most people lose money trading. So think as a beginner what the chart would be doing. Now, this sounds very weird. Most people don't trade like this. Most people think if there's a dip, buy it. That's the mindset of 99% of people. And it takes a lot of power, a lot of, how can I put it? Not a lot of power. It takes a lot of strength in your mindset, I would say, to actually short a position where it looks like the floor. Yeah. And it doesn't look like it's going too well at the moment, but I'm pretty confident that if I hold this, we're going to go down. And we can take a look. We'll take a look at CoinGlass and see what everyone else is doing. Whether most people are long, most people are short, what everyone's mindset is doing. Now, contrary to what I said, the mindset of people is actually what moves the market. So most people are long here, which again, like I said, most people are incorrect in their predictions. Most traders lose money. And again, we look like we're losing money. We're, I mean, it was a very small $30 short here. But I'm quite confident this will come in, really and truly. I can't see this breaking up. It looks like you can see it's exhausted. This is the pump, that's the pump, that's the pump. It's got smaller every time. If I was looking to buy Bitcoin, I'd be like, okay, I'm going to wait. Like if you was looking to do a spot buy, I would say, oh, I'm going to wait. Because these guys keep selling on me. Look, every pump. You could say the same, every dump is a buy, but look, it's getting weaker and weaker and weaker and weaker. So that should give me, all we need is that support to break. And it will break. It will fall. The reason it's gone sideways is it's letting some people think that this is the dip, this is the floor. You must be trading against other people. This is all you're going to be doing as a trader, against other people. You're not trading. Most people trade against themselves. They're like, oh, I'm going to long it here. They just think every dip is going to be a pump. It's not like that. We're in a downtrend. Statistically, just short. You can be brain dead. You can randomly short positions. Not randomly, but you're statistically more likely to win if you just say, I'm going to short, I'm going to short, I'm going to short. You'll make money doing it on a downtrend. And this is a clear downtrend. This might take a while to break down. And bear in mind, we were like 30-40% down, and now it's looking better because mathematically, we're in a better position. Let's see what everyone else is doing. So people are looking to go more 53%. This is not even this isn't a gospel good indication of what everyone's doing in the market, but we could see a major breakdown. Actually, this is why I opened the short. We'll have a look at the liquidation map here, which is quite risky because there's a lot of longs here and there's a lot of leverage long. So if it hits these it will just bounce. Again, here we go. This is the breakdown. And this is the part I close very quickly, hopefully. it might even drop more. That's the only thing with PancakeSwap. Takes a while to close. But literally, people say the trend is your friend, and they aren't effing lying when they say that. But you can see here 150% profit when everybody would have said you need to long the dip. But in a downtrend, you're more likely to win when you short. I hope you enjoyed this video and take care.